Make a great choice today with the 2016 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.